Hey guys, welcome back. So today we got some exclusive details regarding the features of Samsung's next gen folding device, which seems very interesting. Also, we will take a look at the case cover leaked for the Z Fold 4, and we'll be talking about why there's no telephoto shooter for this premium flagship device. But before we jump into the video, I want to say that if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe to get more daily updates and give a like if you enjoy watching this video. So if you are following our channel, then you might know some of the features that I have shared in my previous videos, but now we have a full detailed spec sheet for this flagship beast. According to a Twitter user, Samsung's Z Fold 4 will have 6.2-inch HD plus resolution outer screen, which is an AMOLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate. And on the inner side, there will be a 7.6-inch AMOLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate. Talking about the performance, then this bad boy will be powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 CPU based on TSMC's 4nm process. Moreover, in terms of RAM and storage option, there will be two options: 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, or 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. On the back of the device, there is a triple camera system which contains a 50MP primary lens, 12MP telephoto zoom lens, and 12MP ultra wide for the wide angle photos. Now for the selfie cameras, the outer screen will house the similar selfie shooter that we have on the Z Fold 3 right now, but surprisingly Samsung is using newer and higher megapixel selfie shooter of 16MP for the inner display, and yes, it will be an under display selfie camera. Now talking about the leaked case cover, Ice Universe shared picture comparing both the Z Fold 3 and Fold 4's case cover, and we can see the difference here clearly, where Z Fold 4 will be a little bit wider this time, and Samsung has decided to give the smartphone not proper but close to squarish form. And yeah, most of the people will appreciate this move as we all were waiting for this only. Moving on, a Chinese leaker shared a reason behind Samsung not using a proper periscope zoom lens for over a $1,500 phone. He says the periscope zoom lens, which is superior to a normal telephoto shooter, is a large camera which cannot be placed inside the Z Fold 4, which is even thinner than the previous device. This is why there's no periscope lens. In fact, Samsung has improved the main camera for this smartphone, which is way more capable of taking quality photos than any other Android device. So that is it in this video guys. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What do you feel about the Z Fold 4? If you enjoy watching this video, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel as well. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.